I was watching a movie. Nikasahau kuwa kuna chakula kwa moto. Anyway, I have to see. So I usually boil water with my kettle before cooking. I feel like it's so. I've washed the sufuria, although kuna hiyo pata wako mwisho haijatoka. The reason is I don't have a steel wire. I'm using this fiber, so it's not that effective ya kusugua masufuria imechomeka. I don't know how sweet the movie was mpaka nikachomesha sufuria. Now my kamande zimebaki hivi, and this was supposed to go till supper. It's now like I'm waiting this twice. I'm waiting them for lunch and for supper. It's now 2:35, so hopefully there will be enough for me, and the rest goes until tomorrow morning. Anyway, today is on Tuesday. How has the week started? I know I've never, like, I don't know why. I usually start a vlog, then katikati I remember I haven't done an intro. So let's do this before I completely forget. Hey, hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? How's the week started? From today, I've been thinking of like I'll be posting, no, everyone. Let's just focus with every Wednesday for now, because I wanted to like push it till Friday, but nakumbuka sometimes Fridays I'm busy, so we'll be doing it every Wednesday. Yeah, this is the hair. Like, see, my curls are still like okay. Yeah, this is the hair that I did by myself, and I don't feel like removing it until end month. And I already did 17. So you see, 2 weeks. 2 weeks remaining. 2 weeks. Naisha fika Tuesday. Karibu tumeshafika katikati. Anyway, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss Kahonzi, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You know that, right? I really appreciate you. I give you guys a thumbs up because you are always the best. Okay? Yeah, I don't know why I'm rapping. So let me cook. Then I fold my clothes. Nilifua jana nikatoa nguo kwa kamba. So I'm supposed to fold them, or else tutakuwa tunalala nazo just like squeeze for me there. But anyway, I did that yesterday, so it's time for me to fold them. Let me finish cooking, then I'll fold the clothes, then we'll see how the day will go. But anyway, hope you enjoy my vlog. So please comment down there what you'd like me to be, which kind of vlogs you want me to be doing. Yeah, so far I'm just doing hair, lifestyle, and cooking. Just, you know. Oh, sorry. So far I'm doing lifestyle, beauty, and hair. Anyway, vlogs. Yote itakuja kwa akili nitakuwa nafanya. Okay? So bye. See you guys later. Yeah, you guys, my grinder broke. Now I can't like grind with it. I was grinding zikamka hapo ndani, so I'm waiting for it to just simmer, then I'll remove them when I'm cooking. Don't mind masufuria nile nyemeungua. I haven't bought like cooking pots sufuria, so this is even empty mine. Hii ilikuwa ya home, so I only use 2 and the pan that you usually see. So anyway, kuna zenye natafuta sijazipata, na our shops in Mombasa haven't given me the quality that I wanted yet, that I'm looking for yet. So Nikizipata I'll be saying them. So for now, please bear with me with these ones. Bora nikupika napika, there's no problem. Bora nikule. Chakula imeungua. So the spices and Royco and the curry powder. So guys, it's getting late. I'm supposed to go back home. I'm supposed to not walk with these shoes.